Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time Design Team project, and I concentrated on butterflies this time. So I used the bees and butterfly papers that I'm using today. I want to say it's just this one actually, that lemon paper right there. And I've hacked this up pretty good already, so yes, that's a fun paper pack. I'm also using these pretty butterfly dies, and I'm using just the largest one here along with its pieces that go with that. I am also using this stamp here that goes with the butterfly stamp and die set, so I'm using this as well as sending happy thoughts your way. And I did use the die set that goes with that as well. And then I use some of the small daisies from this daisy die set, so use some of those. And then I also used the torn paper frame die layers and the dies. So that was the other set that I used. Share the card that I made. It turned out so pretty, so perfect. I just love it. I love it. I used the butterfly, the lemon paper there. Used that butterfly, and I did put some vellum behind that, as you can tell, and then I used that script piece there on top of that torn paper frame die and layers, and then there goes those little daisies that I put around there. And I did finish the inside of the card. It's just yellow paper in there, but love how that turned out. Sending happy thoughts your way came from that same release. So perfect card, and I love it. Check out the picture at the end. Make sure you visit My Creative Time. I'll have her links down below to her store and all of her other sites that she has, as well as my Design Team sisters. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.